Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to chat with your clanmates in Clash of Clans, but the chat just isn't working? Maybe it's not loading or your messages aren't going through. It is a frustrating glitch, but I've got a few solid fixes that should get you back to coordinating with your clan in no time. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to check your internet connection. Even if it looks fine, sometimes a weak or unstable signal can prevent the chat from updating. So go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. Another good idea is to give your router a quick restart, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in. Next up, let's try the classic troubleshooting move. Close the Clash of Clans app completely, make sure it is not running in the background. Then open it again. A lot of the time, this simple step can clear out a temporary bug. If that doesn't work, give your phone a full restart. This can clear out any system-wide glitches that might be interfering with the game. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the game's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Clash of Clans, and in the storage and cache section, you'll see an option below to clear cache. This is totally safe and won't delete your village or your game progress, but it will get rid of any corrupted temporary files that could be causing the chat problem. This one might sound a little strange, but bear with me. Clash of Clans has a profanity filter that can sometimes be a bit too sensitive and block messages. Go into the game settings and see if there's an option for the chat filter. If it's on, try turning it off, or simply be aware that certain words or phrases might be getting blocked, causing the chat to seem like it's not working. Another thing to consider is whether your game is up to date. Supercell regularly releases updates that fix bugs and glitches. So head over to the Google Play Store, search for Clash of Clans, and make sure you've got the latest version installed. If there's an update available, install it and try the chat again. Okay, if you have tried everything else and the chat is still broken, here's a last resort that has worked for some people. You can try living and rejoining your clan, but a huge warning, before you do this, make sure your clan leaders are aware and that you can be invited back in. Also, your war log and donation stats will be reset, so only do this if you are comfortable with that. I really hope one of these fixes worked for you and you're back to chatting with your clan. If you're still having issues, your best bet is to contact Supercell support directly. Let me know in the comments which solution helped you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!